2025 is here, and it's time to stop falling into the same traps when it comes to making money. This year, let's focus on strategies that actually work. No wasting time on outdated freelancing skills or starting apps that no one needs. If you're serious about making real money in 2025, this video is for you. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. And let me appreciate these 2 clicks because it will help my channel to grow. Let's break it down into practical steps. I'll be sharing 13 money-making ideas across 3 categories. 1. Beginner-friendly ideas. It is perfect for students or those just starting out, with earning potential up to $5,000 per month. 2. Intermediate ideas. It is perfect for those with some experience, where you'll be building small businesses and earning $10,000 or more per month. 3. Advanced ideas. It is perfect for businesses that can scale to $20,000 or more monthly, though they require effort, a team, and an entrepreneurial mindset. The best part? No matter which category you start with, if you stick with it for 6 to 12 months, you'll naturally upgrade to higher income levels. For instance, you might start with a beginner idea earning $2,000 a month and evolve it into an intermediate idea making $10,000 per month. Let's dive in. Beginner-friendly ideas. 1. Video editing. Why video editing? There's a massive skill gap. Social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube have created an endless demand for video content. Everyone, from small businesses to influencers, needs good editors, but there aren't enough skilled people in the market. Here's why it's the perfect starting point. High demand. Instagram Reels and YouTube videos are booming. Quick to learn. You can start with basic social media edits, which take only 30 to 45 days to master with free online tutorials. Immediate earnings. Beginners can charge $100 to $200 per video and earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month working part-time. Once you master basic editing, you can upskill to advanced techniques like motion graphics and storytelling, increasing your income to $10,000 monthly or more. 2. Script writing for social media. Big influencers don't write their own scripts. They hire professionals to research and create engaging content for their videos. Why? Because a great script can make or break a video. This opens up massive opportunities for freelance script writers. Short-form content. You can charge $100 to $500 per script for Reels or TikToks. Long-form content. You can create YouTube scripts for $200 to $1,000 per project. Even beginners can start with basic research and analysis. All you need is a smartphone or laptop to get started. As you gain experience, you can work with agencies or brands and earn steady income. 3. Graphic designing. Despite AI tools like Leonardo.ai and DALL-E, graphic designers are still in high demand. Why? Because AI can assist, but it can't fully replace human creativity. Here's how you can get started. Learn the tools. Master Canva, Photoshop, or Illustrator, and combine them with AI tools to create unique designs. Start small. Create social media posts, logos, or marketing materials for small businesses. Earning potential. Charge $50 to $500 per project. Once experienced, you can earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month. 4. UGC content creation. User-generated content (UGC) is a big deal for brands because it feels authentic and relatable. Brands often hire freelancers to create UGC-style videos or images that look like real customers made them. What you need: a smartphone, a mic, and basic editing skills. Income potential. Earn $100 to $500 per project. With regular clients, you could make $2,000 to $5,000 monthly. 5. Content repurposing. This involves taking long-form content, like podcasts or YouTube videos, and repurposing it into shorter clips for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Why it's lucrative. Content creators want to maximize their reach across platforms. Skills needed: strong editing and an eye for viral-worthy moments. Earnings. Charge $200 to $500 per project, or $2,000 per month as a retainer. Intermediate ideas. 6. Becoming a thumbnail designer. Thumbnails can make or break a YouTube video. Content creators will pay top dollar for designers who can create attention-grabbing thumbnails. Why it works? It's a specialized skill with a psychological aspect. The goal is to grab attention and drive clicks. Income potential. Charge $100 per thumbnail. Top designers earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month. 7. Videography. Videographers are the unsung heroes of content creation. They're responsible for capturing stunning visuals that elevate any project, from brand shoots to events. High demand. Brands and agencies need professionals for fashion and product shoots. Quick start. Basic videography skills can be learned online in 30 to 60 days. Earnings. Charge $500 to $2,000 per project. Experienced videographers can make $10,000 monthly. 8. Social media management. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts. As a manager, you'll handle scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance. Skills needed. Basic knowledge of social media platforms and analytics tools. Earnings. Charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client. With 5 to 10 clients, you could earn $10,000 monthly. 9. Personal branding services. Help entrepreneurs and influencers build their personal brand on platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram. What's involved? Create content strategies, design profiles, and optimize posts. Income potential. You can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per client monthly. 10. Podcast editing and production. Podcasts are booming, and creators need help with editing, sound design, and production. Skills needed: audio editing and basic sound engineering. Earnings. Charge $500 to $2,000 per episode. Retainers can go up to $10,000 monthly. Advanced ideas. 11. Starting a social media agency. Social media is booming, and businesses are willing to pay big money for agencies that can help them grow. Here's how you can build a thriving agency. 1. Start small. Offer niche services like video editing, UGC content, or personal branding. 2. Expand gradually. Add services like performance marketing or influencer campaigns as you grow. 3. Scale up. Work with bigger clients and projects. Agencies can earn anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 monthly. 12. Launching a D2C brand. Direct-to-consumer brands are on the rise. These companies sell directly to customers, cutting out the middleman. As a founder, you can create unique products, use AI tools to design custom merchandise or innovative products, leverage social media. Market directly to your audience. Earning potential. Start small but scale to $50,000 or more per month. 13. Teaching and coaching. The education industry is evolving, and teaching skills is more lucrative than ever. You can offer high-value coaching, online courses, or workshops. Coaching. If you've mastered a competitive exam or a specialized skill, teach others. Earnings can range from $5,000 to $50,000 per month. Courses. Create digital products teaching marketable skills like coding, AI tools, or graphic design. Workshops. Host in-person or virtual sessions for businesses or individuals. The possibilities in 2025 are endless. The key is to choose one idea, focus, and give it your all. Start small, gain experience, and scale up. Remember, every big business begins with a small step. Pick a skill, work hard, and watch your income grow. Let me know in the comments which idea excites you the most. What's your income goal for 2025? Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on how to make money online on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.